Alchemist in psychology. In psychology, an alchemist refers to an individual who embodies the principles of transformation, growth, and self awareness. The term is inspired by medieval alchemists who sought to transform base metals into gold, symbolizing the transformation of the self. Key characteristics. Number one, self awareness. Alchemists in psychology are deeply aware of their thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Number two, transformation. They strive to transform their limitation, flaws, and weaknesses into strengths and opportunities for growth. Number three, resilience. Alchemists are adaptable and resilient, able to navigate challenges and setbacks with ease. Number four, curiosity. They are curious about themselves and the world around them, seeking knowledge and wisdom. Number five, creativity. Alchemists often think outside the box, finding innovative solutions to problems. How to become an alchemist? Number one, practice self-reflection. Regularly examine your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors to gain a deeper understanding of yourself. Number two, embrace challenges. View challenges as opportunities for growth and transformation. Number three, cultivate curiosity. Stay open-minded and curious, seeking knowledge and wisdom. Number four, develop resilience. Learn to adapt to setbacks and challenges, using them as opportunities for growth. Number five, foster creativity. Encourage your creative side, exploring new ideas and solutions. Benefits. Number one, personal growth. Becoming an alchemist can lead to significant personal growth and self-awareness. Number two, increase resilience. Developing resilience and adaptability can help you navigate life's challenges with ease. Three, improve relationships. By understanding yourself and others better, you can build stronger, more meaningful relationships. By embracing the principles of alchemy, you can transform your life and become a more self-aware, resilient, and creative individual.